Hey guys, it's me Farah here. Today, Aisha's not here. She's actually I don't know what's wrong with her. She's being like a bossy person right now because she can't find her iPad, so she's mad. Today I'm doing a video called Addicted to Squishies or Obsessed to Squishies. That's gonna be one of the titles. Few video ideas for you guys. I have a morning routine, but if you want me to do a morning routine, comment below whether you want me to do a voiceover or just let you watch. I have if you want a detective video, I got you covered. Squishy videos, any videos, so I'm just gonna get started. When you find something that looks really squishy, but then it ends up not being squishy, so oh my god. It's not squishy. When you start squishing stuff that aren't squishies. Whoa. That's really squishy. I'm gonna add this to my squishy collection. When you squish squishies doing normal everyday stuff, well, that's weird. Last one is when you just go crazy with all your squishies. And I mean really crazy. Squishies, 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 squishies. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. And make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you later.